Hey, what's going on with you guys? Hopefully everything is going well. Anybody that may not know, I work for a mortgage company and we also do checking and savings accounts. And so pretty much I had a very strange situation today happen. It was very sad and I wanted to share this with you to prevent other people from, experiencing the same fate. I was assisting a customer with his mortgage and he was telling me the story about how his checking and savings accounts had gotten garnished. And I can see it, because we help with the accounts as well. And I asked him what happened, and everything. And I had to document the account heavily. And he's telling me the story and he's crying. And he's like, yeah, man, I was 2 months worth of bills just like straight up down the drain. I don't know what I'm going to do. He's like, they took every single penny I had just now. And so I had to explain to him pretty much that because he did not cooperate with the Payday lending company, he did not pay them, and it went to collections, and then collections went to their legal department, and their legal department went to the courts, and then he didn't show up for court, and then there was a garnishment order on all of his bank accounts, and they froze everything, guys. And it wasn't just with our banking and our mortgage company; it was with others as well. And they took about $4,000 from us, from his bank accounts that he had with us. And they also took about $3,000 from external bank accounts because it was court ordered. And, the court, the government, they have all your information. They know who you're banking with. You can't run, man. And this dude's going to, sadly probably get foreclosed on because he says it's literally impossible for me to make that much money back. And that's the reason why I went to the Payday lending place, was because no one else would approve my loan. And I had nowhere else to turn. And me paying them back just wasn't an option. It was just too much. He lost his job for a couple months, had bills, they were racking up. His girlfriend had got COVID. It was just a mess. And he's telling me this, he's crying. I could hear it, man. He's ugly crying on the phone. And I had to, I feel real bad for the dude, but there's nothing that I could do. We don't even have a process or a procedure that could prevent you from getting your wages garnished. No one can save you if your wages are garnished. Make sure you pay your lenders back, guys. Don't just be like, oh, you ain't never getting that money. Make sure you speak to their collection department at the very least. That way they can document that you're at least being cooperative. It might save you from court. In addition to that, make sure you stay away from these payday lending companies, because for, every $100 that you borrow, you're expected to pay back, $15 to $30 for every $100, which doesn't seem much if you only borrow a couple hundred, but it really adds up. And, these companies really prey on, the customers that are in poverty, people that don't make a low bunch of money, because that's why they're coming. They have no other option. Everyone else has said no and turned them away. And this is all they have. And it's just sad, guys. This is just my little video just to let you know, find some other resource or some other community for support, whether it's a church, family member, friend, do something. But don't go to payday lending companies. They'll ruin your life. You guys have a good day. I'm out. Peace.